Hello, hello. Okay. Well, I'm still thinking about the parallel decoder, and it would be useful to have it be faster. Everyone would like that. A little bit of expired cream never hurt anybody. I've heard that you can drink expired milk without problems. Like it just doesn't. It's not bad for you. It doesn't taste good, but it's not bad for you. You may not want to, but you can. All right. So this is the document that I wrote yesterday, which is very good. Uh, let's see if I can't adapt some of my code to work this way. Honestly, the code is pretty good. The work tree. Wow. Okay, we're gonna do. Oh, branch. Rayon. No. Yes. Yes. Branch. Yes. Work tree. Whatever. Okay. Branch is. Uh. This guy. The chance of a lifetime. I. Um. Strong. So I need to yoink this code, or I want to yoink this code. Parse chunks. Yeah. I thinking that is good. Uh. G g g g. New. So that would replace this. Oh. Um. That's annoying. Okay. Oh, I wish I could use Chatterino. Uh, it stopped working. Uh, It's is it not installed? Bin. Yeah. Okay. There's a guy cleaning my window. What's this? Oh, I guess I should check it because of the whole like situation with AUR. Uh, oh, native. What is native? Native QT. Cool. Damn, he's fast. Okay, so this thing. View changes. Was it changed lately? No. Alright, well. What if I do that? Native 6. Is it smaller? Alright, we're looking for like URLs. That's URLs. Oh man. Lua. Holy. I don't know. It's fine. I just don't need it. Okay, so this kind of sucks because the chunks were using slices. It would be nice. Oh, you know what? I wonder if you could adapt the chunk reader, the chunk decoder. Ugh, I hate readers. They just it forces you to copy. Oh, well, this is going to be harder than I thought. Well, or maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's not. Maybe I just allocate, and it's fine. I mean, that's what it does, anyways. Like, if we look at the chunk decoder, like this accepts a reader and it yoinks the data fully. Yeah, I guess it's fine. I'll just modify this, and instead of read, uh just a huge project. But that's just what I need. I need a project that'll take me a few weeks at least, so I can do something. So what's you? Oh, you can't. Can you? Doesn't this just call decompressor new? What the? Aren't you doing like copy? Oh. Why does it need IO result on that? Chunk. Yeah. I think I have to invent compressed chunk. Where? Indeed. Okay, so let's go there. Parse chunks. Hello. Compressed chunk. Chunk parser. So this does not work. But it's okay. Chunk header. Surely I know what I'm doing. Alright, chunk header, baba booey. And then we have compressed chunk. No lifetime. Oh, what do you want? Clone is not satisfied. Real. For real. And then this is just a vecua. I mean, we could make it a box, but like, whatever. Okay, self.data. Should we just deref course? Okay, I mean, that's fine. There you go. Compress chunk easy. Chunk parser is completely not real. I believe the deserializer is the one that implements like next chunk. Am I incorrect? Yeah, chunk decode. Gooby. We can just go like this. Decode, semicolon. Self.input. Yeah, there's no such thing as this lifetime. It's just reader R. R. Alright, where are we at? Yeah, like this. Compressed chunk, no lifetime. Chunk parser is not real. We're not doing read slice. Oh crap. Yeah, no. Reader really blows. Worst way to do it. Like you can't do zero copy. You can't really. Well, yeah, like you can read from a file, but it's like 5 times slower or something. Oh, okay. Okay, this part's not real. Where? Okay, mod. Okay, mod is where it happens. Deserialize. Yeah, it just becomes like this. New finish. Indeed. Chunkies. Chunks? Parse chunks. Am I stupid? What? Oh. Okay, chunk. Yeah. Not real? I do need this bit right here. I mean, I guess I can read her. Ugh. 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 Is this real? Decode chunk header. Yes. Okay. And then this is not real. Vec. It's basically this. It is literally exactly that. Is there a better way to do it? Header.len reader take. There you go, bud. What's this? Oh, that's the old one. Yeah? What's that? Read is not satisfied. That's a lie. Oh. Where are read? I mean, I suppose. What do you want? Take. Copy trait. R implemented clone. Take needs clone? No. Oh, is that how it in the deserializer state? Does it have mut R? No, it just has R. What? How did it do it before? Input. What? Okay, is it reader take? What? Huh? Oh, because we have mutt self, right? Okay. What len equals header.len, not real. There you go, bud. Okay, so chunk parser reader. I guess we need this on both, eh? What? Oh, yeah, no, we do need this next chunk function. Okay. Pa choppa. Okay, there we go. No mutt. I guess that's true. All right. So that blasts out compressed chunks. Ugh. Oh, decode. Surely I can take ownership, eh? And then do this. Indeed. So parse chunks is chunky dunky like this, and then yeah, okay, all right. Uh, chunks dot next chunks dot chunks. Do I? Oh, I see. That's where those functions are defined. Hmm. Indeed. Features rayon. Rayon. This code. This. Yeah. No. This is a little bit goofy. 1 + 1. Yeah. Okay. You good, bruh? Alright, we don't need this. I don't need this. Oof. Okay. Ooh. No, that's bad for my back. Bad for my back. Gotta sit like this. I can't sit like cross-legged in the chair. Oh, okay, I need this stupid code. Chunk, 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 chunk. Huh? Duh? Duh? Is there a... What? What? Oh, it's right here. Goodness. Ah. Oh. Ah. Oh. Yeah, no. Well, I mean, these two functions are okay. This one, wild. I wonder if I should. Oh, unwrap. What the hell? I guess I wasn't done this. How does that work? What? Why are they IO results? Do I even need that? This is okay. It's freaking weird. Alright, I'm gonna yank the code. Unexpected chunk in bagging area. What is that? Alright, we go back. Back to basics. compress chunk parser. Okay. Why is it like? Where is it? Okay, dot chunks. Iter vec collect decode. Oh. Okay, so it's doing that. So that this can do it without collecting first. Okay. How do I deal with unwrap then? Because now we have result and option. I could just say unexpected E off. That would work. Oh, it's not there. Oh, no, there it is. Wait. Oh, this will just keep going forever, won't it? But the original will too. Like, if we look at the code that I deleted. Loop. If it never finds this, it never stops. But I suppose it errors here. Okay, so that also errors there. Okay, so it will reach E off. How big is this guy? 40 bytes. Not bad. Well, that's nice right there. Okay, what do you want? Unexpected chunk. Right. That is a deserializer error. Unexpected chunk. Or not. What? Oh, is it here? Strong error. Yeah, there you go. Yoinky. Sploinky. There you go. Okay, well now what? Inner error, what? Ooh. I see. So these need to be create. Crap. Uh. Alright, dude. Alright, and then I can put this into here. Oh, gee. No. No. Irritating. Ugh. Nasty, 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 nasty. That's so nasty. How did that get so nasty? It's just supposed to be a little error guy. Like, ouch. Are these things chunk header, pub, chunk builder, pub, pub. Let's just go with that. That's just removes all the freakiness and deakiness. Yeah, better. Okay. So then now we can yoinky like this. There we go. All right. Indeed, chunks. Oh. Wait a sec. Oh, that's not gonna work, is it? All right. All right. Doable. So I stream. I'm writing code. So chunks. I. Ooh. Well, no, it's normal iterator. It's okay. So, really? See. Chunks. C is into iterator. Into iter equals I. item equals bingus bongus, like this. See. Boom. And then this is real. How much do we want to know about this iterator? Like, is it an exact size iterator? Yes. Does that matter? No. I think it basically doesn't matter. Man. So iterator item. How do I get rid of this damn unwrap? I could E off, IO result E off. But I mean that's kind of different. It's not the same. Unexpected chunk. And this is weird, gosh. Annoying. Like this function signature is different because it doesn't pull from this because it's trying to use up the last chunk. I could say chunk.expect. Maybe that's the play. But that's yeah, self. 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 All right. Map test games unavailable. God, what next? What now? Get me off this platform. What a headache. All right, I'm just gonna write this E off. I'm just gonna steal this one. Like, well, like, what does it mean? If it expects there to be a chunk, then that's unexpected chunk, isn't it? Isn't that unexpected chunk? And but then I have like a goofy goober result. Why is there an IO error per? Okay, right, because I'm decoding all of them in parallel. So that's a decompression error. if there's no chunk that is unexpected EOF. It basically should do that anyways, unless it's literally missing like the parent chunk. God, what a freaking mess. How do I clean this up? I just like it. I can just clean it up as I go. I'm trying. Where's the EOF? Take me to EOF. Does it not exist? It doesn't exist. Okay, I forgot to include the prerequisites. Work. I saved all of it. Earth. Oh, what a pain. What a pain. Okay, I committed. Let's go look at what now. Is it? No, it's nothing I need to look at. I hate Roblox. Okay, so how do you do anything? I suppose I should probably put the places in here because like Roblox is too hard to navigate. B-Hop, surf, staging, development staging. What is that? I guess. Why did R go there? The one and only. Wow. Is it gonna say you got censored, idiot? Ugh. Wait, what? Oh, code email. Ooh. Updated agreements. Great. So glad to fork over my ability to do arbitration in court. Just kidding. I gave that up long ago. $16 plus. Audience reach personal use. Can I click on this? Oh Oh God. Okay, so now we have a mutually exclusive problem. So, ugh, the Roblox game, the map test games should really be in the map test group, but you can't load models in a group game. But then the individual games, now you need to do this publishing fee. These are buttons, they're not grayed out. What is that? I don't understand. Why is this exclamation point? Is this like current status? This is a terrible chart. Like, do I need all of these? Do I need, does this, do any of these enable this? Why are these lines? Like, does this, your status? What? Fuck is that? Oh, sorry, I swore. What is that? Wait, what? Roblox subscription icon. Why is it there? I didn't do any subscribing. Do we know if the group games can work? Like, can you load models now? I'm gonna need to deal with this later, but that's gonna be difficult to deal with later. Okay, I need to have some prerequisites. Download it and upload it to the group. Yeah, neither of those are as good of an experience. Alright, so rayon prereq. So we need to merge this guy. Oh, I only need the read. Yeah, okay. Display 0 copy. Okay. Yep. And then here we go. And now I create a branch. God, what was I gonna call it? Prep. Good. I'm gonna not write this document because that's the only thing I did yesterday. I want to like actually work on stuff. Okay, what happened? Main rayon 2. Are you for real? This doesn't look right. Oh, that's right. Right. Okay. So I have the read stuff figured out. So now I have this, and I can go like, oh yeah, dude. Pub crate. Go ahead. Absolutely blast it, bro. I mean, it's core, I guess. What? Alright, clipboard is broken. Poggers. Classic Z. Okay, now instead of unwrap, I can actually do okay or else. Yeah. And then question mark, real. No, it doesn't really, now it doesn't suddenly just spam errors. Okay. So this is not real. Jeez. What? Okay, I guess I should make that a function. Next. Try next. Self shunk. And then this is how it is. Yep. Mm-hmm. Neat. So now it's all in one spot. Try next. All right. So this is bad because I should probably be called like expect. Bruh. So it's all what I've done here is I'm always feeding the next chunk in. But I can't have that be automatic because at the end there is no next chunk. So I can't have the once function always pull up the next chunk. But I can have these functions do it because they're not the last one. This is bad. This is bad and confusing code. Hate it. Okay, so now it's just this. What happened? Oh, that was the end. Do you want to stay on Shack Attack? That's fine. Whatever, I'll just silence it. Are we good? No. What? Oh, it went away, right. Yeah. So yeah, no, this is gonna be completely different. Okay, I guess I don't need this then, and I can just save as is. God, I hate this code. Like, it was like a little bit okay when these functions were in the same place, but now it's on chunk? What? Oh god. My message that I don't agree with. It's hidden because it's up here. I could dissociate. I could dissociate the functions from anything. That would work. I could call the function like chunk once. Honestly, I think that's better. Just dissociate it. So repeated once, chunk repeated. Gosh, I really want to like cross my legs. Okay, self. Oh. Need this. Oh, no, it's ugly again. Oh, and then I have to like. It's so bad. There's just no way to do it good. Alright, this has nothing to do with anything except here. I think actually this is better as if it error. Nice star. Nice star. Oh, we can actually delete this. What happened? Oh, the text deserializer. Scam. Can I go Vec? Oh, gross. Parse chunks. Chunks. Push. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, so then this is map collect, eh? Okay. Freak. Yeah, no. Where will we? Unknown. Goober. Can we just like backspace? Call it a day. Chunk data as slice. Oh, look at how nice that goes. Whoa, that's so nice. Okay, let's try map. Compress chunks map. No. Nice 4. Compress chunk decode. Let chunk equals compress chunk decode. Collect chunks equals to. You good? No. Okay, what do you want? Semicolon. Okay. Okay, for real. Real. What do you want? There. What the hell is that semicolon doing there? Alright, so what the error doing? IO result. Oh, self. What? Okay, it works for me. What about this one? What is this? Next chunk IO error. It's E off, I guess. What is that? Oh, I see. Okay, that's real, and there's no such thing as the other code anymore. Isn't that nice? Look at how nice it is. Ugh. Lossy to string. Into owned is better. What? Why are you slicing this? Alright, what is it trolling about now? Okay, chunk. So, literally, you can smack par editor here and easy. Well, no, you can't actually. Well, no, you can. Wait, what? Decoded chunk. It just gets the data ready. I get this. This is so goofy. Who wrote this? 6 years ago. All right. Delete old decoding. Real. Yeah, look, it's smaller. Actually, this. Oh, well. Wait, does this. Can you, like, match everything? I wouldn't be surprised if Rust did that. Exhaustively match byte strings. I wonder If you can do UTF-8 strings as well, exhaustive matching, I would be a little bit more surprised by that, but okay. Neat. And well, now I actually have to do the work, hey? Instead of just complaining about how bad my code is. I just want to see if it's fast. We have Rayon at home. Okay, how do I... grab... Rayon. Sorry. So this Rayon Dep Rayon. Yeah. Dependencies element of P. Nice. Okay, my clipboard is broken. You love to see it. When are they gonna fix that? My God. We're investigating. Okay, we got Rayon. We also want this. GG. Rayon. Element of PQR. What is T? Oh, hell no. So this belongs here. QRS. T. That's annoying. Ooh. Oh my goodness. So, should just figure it out. Alright, that's a little bit gooby actually. Let's do like... what do you want? Is not an iterator. Lie? Oh. Beep. Now what? Oh, okay. Deserializer. Gosh, it's just the beginning. Shelf. I actually have to do it, eh? Properties. T T T T. So instances range. We don't do it like that. Excuse me. I wonder if this can go away as well. Rear instance. It's. We don't need it. It's properties. It's a hash map of iterators. Something. So I very specifically collected the chunks so that you could refer to them by slice. So vec chunk, and then each chunk. Oh wait, no, you don't need chunk. That's stupid. You only need the data. This is dumb. Huh. Am I pushing? Yeah. But now it's confusing. It's 4 extra bytes. Because we parsed out the name. We know what it is. And now this code sucks even more. Great. Okay, so then, yeah. Just saving little bytes. I hate it so much. Just pushing forward to see the speed at the end, but this is going to take weeks. Because it's a full refactor. Completely changing the way that it works. Oh, wait a second. Could I totally could. I could start like this. Oh. Oh. Wait, what? Input. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait. Wait, input. Oh, right, because it's interlaced. So I actually don't need input anymore. Where's the state? God, why is it not next to it? Alright. No. It's not needed. So this guy hates me. That's true. That makes sense. No such thing. No such thing. Okay. And then this. Sure. Sure. Okay. Got him. So then not real, and then we can smack it here. And then do state dot like this. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, I have to stop doing this. Option. IZ. Okay. If let sum. Meta. Boo. What? Oh, jeez. Neat. No. Instances. Wait, it's like... It's two-step instead of like a big ball of mutable state. Ugh. Ugh. I guess. Sure, whatever. Who cares? Wait, what's this? Sure, whatever. We'll just delete it. Decode first. What is it doing? Um. Okay. And then the complicated part happens. And I'm drawing a blank. All right, so this section is doing something. Expect chunks to appear in a particular order. I could just blast it into the state. But then... I don't know. Is that a good idea? Do the rest of the work needed to begin decoding. Prepare for. Preparation work for. Alright, how does one parallel decode again? Who knows how to do this? It's me from yesterday who knows how to do this. Okay. Right. Why don't okay, well, I'll just focus on prop chunks and ignore everything else. And that will like forwards and backwards infer everything needed. So it'll like I need a hash map of right iterators ish. I need a hash map of iterators, but parallel iterators. And they all have to be the same type, and you can't dynamic dispatch parallel iterators. Oh my god, bro! Like, okay, let's look at it again. Hello, parallel iterator. It doesn't say if it's DIN compatible. Doesn't it always say if it's DIN compatible? Is DIN compatible? Hey yo. Oh, it's into parallel iterator. I looked at the wrong one. Is not DIN compatible. Look at how many of them go away immediately. There's so much stuff that is just not used most of the time during decoding that just is all stuffed into this big thing. It'd be nice to not do that. Yeah. Okay. Just delete everything. Just, it's not worth it. What about that? What even is this? Reflection database. Wait, why is it unused? Oh, because it never calls. Okay, I see. I mean, I definitely need shared strings, metadata, tree we can generate and finish. Okay, and then type info is specialer. Yeah, type info. We never need to visit it again. I don't know. Oh boy. Okay, maybe that was a stupid idea to delete everything. Just hold. Okay. It is a hash map of something. Right, it's not being compiled. Oh, that's right. I wanted a enum of type IDs, right? Uh, type info properties. Hash map. Oh. Into variant. Dynamic is bad. Stop it. Okay. A collection of the property chunks for this type readily convertible to a parallel iterator. Situation. Oh my god, I just want to cross my legs so bad. It's Euster map, right? Please, 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 please. Type data. Type data. You can't. I can't call it that. Type iter. I could do that. Type iter. Okay, fine. I'll cross my legs. My back will not thank me. Canonical name, right? We need to know more about it. Oh, that was a serializer. Oh, this is definitely gonna have a DOM lifetime. It only needs to be DOM. What? Really? Ew. Whatever. Okay, so types. Yeah. So function. I guess it doesn't belong in here. Well, this is pretty nicely laid out. I like this a lot. Whoa, what am I in the middle of? Right. Type chunk. Ah. Wait. It's all the variants. It's all of them. And then we would have like iter. And then I'll need to sort them. These chunks are decoded in stage 1, and then these chunks are decoded in stage 2. String. String is kind of special because you can half asset. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we can say like vec dom stir like this. And then this is vec dom slice. Content ID. I don't know. Yeah, so each one of these is going to be different. Basically, I can reference my other pool request here. This one, and then add properties, fallible. Anything with this is stage 1, and anything with that is stage 2. Well, most things with this are stage 1, and then everything with this is stage 2. So why don't we look at this one? Int 32. I guess I'll just open up a little notepad here. Int 32. Float 32. Float 64 is fallible though. That is also float 32. Oh god. It's different for both. Yuck. Udim. Go next. Udim 2. Go next. Color 3. Go next. Hello? Oh, vector 2. Vector 3. C-frame. So this is just like reading everything ahead of time, isn't it? Wait, why is this okay? Oh, it's because I'm goobing it, right? Um. Uh. Instances len ID U8. Huh. It's kind of halfway. I mean, like this is kind of reading ahead of time, but then the rest. Oh, that's just the vector threes. Yeah, this is stupid. But you can do it like halfway like this, and I could have a vec of matrix 3 and a reference of this. It does mean it's stage 1 though. It's not stage 2. So I was wrong. Wait, infallible from U32. Really? Oh, okay. Ref. Okay. Wrecked. Sure thing. Color 3? Oh, U into 8. Int 64. We already covered that. What? Why is it this again? Oh, it's... Wait, what? Huh? Okay, shared string net asset ref. No, that's fallible. That's wrong. Security capabilities. What was the first one? What, some kind of string? Int32? Like what? Int32, Int32. What? 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 It was never there. Okay, it's Int32, Int64. Okay. All right, there's our list. Now we go back to this. These are stage 2. Security capabilities. Color 3, uint 8. Really, you can't do unique ID? Surely you can. Rect. Number range. Ref enum C frame vector 3 vector 2 color 3 brick color axis faces. Ray isn't. I guess I can just shuffle them around. Float 32 is, 64 isn't. Bool. There's no freaking way. Net asset ref shared string material colors. There you go. Okay, so this is the first approximate. Oh wait, Flow 64 absolutely should be able to, because it's just a list. Ray, what about Ray? Ray should be able to as well. So all of the first ones are okay. Let me look again. Uh, vector. This guy. Yeah, Yoinky Sploinky. And then bool. Ray. All one word, man. Yeah. Layout known. Okay, Ray. Oh dear. I've lost it. Okay, what was the original order? Ray is after UDIM 2. Okay. This guy. Where's this guy? After ref. Okay, so basically all of these are just vecs of either owned or reference data. I'll just write it by default like this. Vec, bum. How did I miss this one? Yeah, and then these each have their own special way. What? It's Vec. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that's my first guess. Okay, guess. Parallelizable types. So, problem is these are not the same. Like you need it's different for the source and the destination. Like we see in the decoder, we see that like Ray is the only one. But then some of them have why don't they just match together? That would make it so much smaller. Valid type names rect. I'm thinking macro. Valid type names, yeah. So, yeah, it's producing this variant. I wonder if I can go off of the binary type and then map it, map it after. Because this is like adding the property. You only really need to map after. Binary string decode buffer. I don't know. All right. I'm I'm stun locked. Um what happened? Oh yeah, it's not real. I do go by volume. Hmm. How is there so much? Like, why is there finger smushing on my glasses? Surely I didn't do that. Type info by class descriptor. What do I be doing though? Find canonical property. Canonical type. Wait, it ignores it. Oof. Well, that's convenient for me. It just entirely ignores the property. Whoa. Hmm. Yeah, the trick is that we're building entire instances at once, whereas this is building one property at a time. One property of one instance at a time. But we collect all of the relevant chunks ahead of time. Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. Ooh. Do I seriously have smudges already? When? I'm getting tired. I think I'm gonna try and rewrite the document. Oh my god. So, yes, we categorize chunks. Indeed, indeed. Construct. So yeah, this is populate. Populate type infos dot properties. Yeah, from prop chunks in parallel. Hash map. Prop chunk headers parse property type is determined. Most property types are decoded securely because of the position. They decode with per chunk parallelism right immediately. Right now, as in at this stage of decoding. In this stage. Right now. So then class. That's a reference to my dog barking. Man, what a throwback. Appropriate class chunk constructor. There's no such thing as that. So instead of multiplexing, um, the uh, type chunk variant is chosen based on the canonical type, binary type, and canonical type. And that's pretty much it. You're just stuffing it into this hash map of variants. And then all you do is like into iter variant. And then you're goobing. Uh-oh. Oh. Parallel iterator. It has to already be a parallel iterator. Yeah. So like these are parallel iterators, but I need these to be vec iterator as well. Vec. Vec into iter. So in when rayon is enabled, where is the rayon? Hi, it's the rayon. Rayon CFG feature rayon type vec into iter equals rayon vec into iter t, I guess. And then not vec intuiter equals SDD vec intuiter t y t. There you go. Yeah, man. And then now it is a parallel iterator, and it can be split, which is very important. These are not intuitors. They reference data elsewhere, but they can still be split. They're smart. They know the data layout ahead of time. Ugh, yeah, it's 100%. This is gonna be tricky. I wonder what percentage of properties these represent. That would be good to know. Anything that appears in part, very important. Wow. Surely unique ID. Surely. Read interleave of bytes. Map value slice. Yeah, so this is not real. This can't fail because it's exactly the right size. Yeah, this is an array. Oh, it has to do some crap. That's awful. Yeah, unique ID should be in the good ones. And where does it live? Just before security capabilities. Okay, oops. What about material colors? Isn't that good as well? Read binary string L. That's a L right there. I can still do this. Binary string. Wait, could I have like a sub enum? I could. Whoa. So that's how I can multiplex it. So nah. Yeah, no. Yeah. Wait. Binary string target. Yeah, so this is kind of a problem because I love enums. I love making invalid states unrepresentable, whereas this library has all sorts of invalid states and errors that just come out of nowhere and that can never happen. Isn't this like a singular byte? Read U8. Yeah. Read U8. Okay. Yeah, so that belongs in number 2. So what is it above? Brick color. Oh crap. Need more context. Ray. We want most to be more. We want, yeah. This is better. It has finer grained parallelism. Can leverage more cores better if more properties are down here. Number sequence. Readly. Yes, so it needs to know the length first. I mean, I could still make it a little bit better. Yeah, I don't know. It's hard. I'll really figure it out when I actually write the implementations for these, if I ever write the implementations for these. Alright, so I changed this. So populate hash map is good. So using flatten. Type infos dot properties each variant of type chunk indexed parallel iterator, which yields items of that class, of that part. This is actually not relevant. It's just not real. Each variant of type chunk has its own implementation of indexed parallel iterator, yield items of that type. For example, the variant C-frame type chunk. The property iterators are zipped together. No. Well, are driven together to yield an iterator of complete instances of that class. The class instance iterators are ultimately converted into weak instance and chained together into a fasciculated large and flattened there you go. Rewrite for weak types. That's GG. And then improve guess. I'm really whatever, let's do it later. Well, yeah. Cool. Okay, good writing. I guess I don't need to say using flatten. Oh. Serially, sequentially. Sequential. Pretty nice figuring out. Right. There's a little snag here. because I need a hash map tree that starts with this type infos for each class, and then within that is properties hash map for each property, and that's where this data needs to go. But I want to run it in parallel, and then stuff it into the thing. Excuse me. I wonder if zero copy would actually help here, and bumping the slice pointer along, especially for C frames, because like it's definitely gonna help for strings, because it's still, well, no, the C frame doesn't allocate, so it doesn't really matter that much. Although it would still be faster because there'd be fewer like I want to say await points, but it's control flow points if it's doing the full struct at once. That's sort of just a general optimization though. Zero copy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey. Okay. Well, that's a reference. I just realized in the C frame decoder, it refers to these ID, basic rotation ID. I guess you just generated. That's not a big deal. But I was thinking like, oh, what if you have a reference to a constant per ID. So instead of like generating it fresh, it's so small, it doesn't matter. It's so small, it doesn't matter. Is this 9? 36? Yes, obviously it's 9. It's me, I wrote this. This is really cool code. Love it. This is not so much. This guy's smart. Oh, this is wrong. Type info. The data for each chunk is placed into type inf. Oh, clipboard's broken. Which is used or map. Do I really want to do that? Yes. type chunk. That's the type. Is yeah, the type chunk did I put the ends in the right place here? Canonical? No. L. Is this a real word? Why did it do that? Word meaning. There's not two ends. All right. Oh, there's no lifetime on this for this one. Nice. There we go. Let's read it from ooh. Action? Oh. I complained. What am I doing? I forgot. Right, I was gonna like read the markdown. Parallel decoding architecture. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow. You know what might be nice is to make a little structy guy of the chunks. Because then I could hide the bad code. Let me do that. Where did it go? Help. Here it is. So basically, oh geez, this, yeah, no, just like this, just put it in there. Chunks dot shiganu, and then is that allowed? Chunk IO result chunk, is that real? No. So it'd have to, geez, right. Chunk identifier, chunk identifier, something else. It's not a chunk parser. It's a categorizer. And then yeah, and then we can do, gee, what? Yes, so this should be let chunks equals to chunks new chunks question mark semicolon, and then that is just right here. Abstract chunks. Yeah, here we go. Oh geez, impl chunks new. Can I have IDE? IDE is nice. Self result inner error. And then it's literally 100% this. Jeez. New. Okay. Into iter freak. Like this. Are we good with that? What do you want? Okay. Why? Oh. Wait. Into iterator. Oh. Freak. Chunks, new chunks. Freak. Oh. So this. Oh, it was literally calling a different method. Oh, goob. Okay. What? Alright, you good? Alright, now we have self. Freak. Alright, this thing is good, I think. Colon chunk. Optional. Vec. Year. Chunks, okay. Snee. Ugh. Oh, it's not chunk. It's actually vec u8. Unlucky. Okay, whatever. Nobody cares. Should I box it? Like, it's literally smaller. Oh. Well, no, it should know what it's doing, right? Garbagey. What do you want? Data. Oh. Compressed chunk data. Sure. Data. Decompress. Data into box slice. What do you want? Chunk.data. Evacuate. Why? I thought I selected these. Box. Not the boxy. Wait. Data as slice. Hello? Stir as stir. Lying? Lying? Just do this, man. It doesn't need to be complicated. Contents. Whatever. Yeah, it's fine. Actually, decoded chunk, 88 bytes. Okay, it's not gonna help. 56. I don't know, it's just kind of like a little bit smaller, you know? It just means... It's, the struct is a bit smaller. 128 instead of... 144. But like, specifically these are 2/3 the size. Well, but you still have too much. No, you don't. It knows exactly. Well, that's cool. That's pretty cool. I could even do these as a box slice. Box slice of box slices. It's kind of getting ahead of myself. It's fun though. Lulal. Yeah, 112 bytes. Really saving those bytes. Yep. Saving the world. All right, what did I do even? Right, I did this. That was all to hide the code. All right, what do you want? Do it. Oh, geez. Super. Just do super, okay? Super. Um, yeah. Oh, wait. This is that used? Yes, it is. Okay. Um, chunks. Okay. It's because it's all rayon. Well, actually, I guess rayon is in here, so I could actually just, that does make a lot more sense, doesn't it? Oh crap! They're not pub. Unlucky. I'm gonna have to do that. Wait. It doesn't even rayon. Oh, I'm dumb. Okay, whatever. Oh, it used the deserializer error, right? Okay, undo. I could have a special error with two variants: IO error and unexpected chunk. Okay, I'm question mark posture. No, not even that. I just see posture. Oof. I think this is a bit much. Oops. I think it's just a little bit dumb. It's less obvious what's going on. Like, having these inner types all be the same, great. But like, technically you can do it with this, but like, optional repeated once, it makes sense. Neato burrito. A neato. That's pretty neat. Okay, what do you want? Provide the argument file header. Real, very real. Good. Okay, and then now chunks dot goes everywhere. Oh, but I didn't make it pubby. That's okay. Whatever. Nobody cares. Okay. Hello? Why didn't you paste? When I say paste, I mean it. Okay. Hide ugly code. Oh crap. I did this to chunk as well. Does it even know how long it's gonna be? Yes it does, so. Ha. Does this help anyone? I don't think it does. Let me just not do that. What about this? I think this is better here. Oh jeez. Wait, what? Oh jeez. Oh, I guess I put that in the function, eh? Okay. Are you happy about that? It's good enough, it looks like. Alright, I like it enough. Wait, what happened here? Question mark. Isn't that good? Yeah, okay. Trolling. Okay, let's try that again. Yeah, hide ugly code is what I'm doing. Oh, plus 90. Oh, this is not needed. Whoops. Right. Right. Okay. Yeah, so what took me, okay, well no, this isn't completely it. But what took me 300 lines of code before is now what, 26 lines of code, or like 50. Don't need traits and trait bounds. It was pretty cool. All right, that's good. Let me read this again. Uh, uh, Rayon, please. Mm-hmm. Uh, yeah, yeah. That's what spurred it on. Uh, yeah. Mm. Cool, cool. Set upstream. Such an interesting trade-off. References versus copying. This is a cool design document. Oh. Oh, jeez. Happened again. There it is. Okay, this isn't very explanatory. I really make things hard for myself. I make things more and more complicated until I've. Oh, it's not a bird. I've backed my intelligence into a quarter, and I'm not smart enough to do what I want to do. That is gorgeous. I gotta show you. We gotta look outside. Oh, why is that doing that? Holy moly. Trees gently swaying in the wind. Cityscapes on the horizon. Just gotta look out the window. Alright. I can't keep going. I've done some work. I do want to like split this work into the like preparation code and the rayon code, but I need to actually write all the code first. It's really hard. I, I do like working on this library. Am I gonna need to match constantly? I think yes, but like it kind of does already ish. Dynamic is nasty. I want strong types. Um, uh, property types which the chunk layout can be known ahead of time are um, uh, require very little processing in this stage. Which is part of the trick. In the stage, sure. These are converted into their type chunk variant. Respective. Like, this is important information, but it's right here. The type trunk variant is chosen. Okay. How does that look? Most. It doesn't actually look like it. Many. Sure, we can include that. I'm actually thinking that the trait should return structs read interleaved. So like this guy, that makes sense. But then impl, actually, isn't that like right? But like each one can have its own struct. Read interleaved bytes iter. Read interleaved I32 iter. And then I can implement parallel iterator. Yeah. I wonder if this one you can't. Oh my god, bruh. Alright. Yep, okay, let's wrap it up. It's too hard. And I can only bite off a little bit each day. God, I can't. Why? Roblox keeps attacking my project. That's what it feels like. They're just introducing automation that just is impersonal. Like YouTube. It's shitifying in real time. I am done. Probably I'll be back tomorrow and keep working on this. I'm so interested in the performance, but it's so hard. We'll see if I can complete it before I run out of steam. Until then, so yeah, bye.